Hello everyone. I am all healthy, fit and fine. Agreed. But prevention is better than cure and powerful too. So today I'll be telling you the relevant battery of tests which is recommended or should be done for screening purpose and also for assessing the future medical problems, especially when you've achieved that milestone of 40 years. Blood pressure screening. Please get your blood pressures checked at least annually or 6 monthly if you have these following conditions. Diabetes screening test, fasting blood sugar, random blood sugar, HbA1c, at least an annual checkup should be done, and a 6 monthly checkup should be done if you have these following conditions. Cholesterol screening, lipid profile. After 40 years of age, one baseline lipid profile should be done. If it is normal, you are a healthy, active adult, you might not repeat it before 5 years until and unless one of these issues come up. Complete blood count and ESR. A annual CBC and ESR should be done. Thyroid function test. A baseline thyroid function test can be done after 45 years of age, and if thyroid dysfunction is there, only then get it repeated 6 to 12 months on treatment. Vitamin D, vitamin B12, iron, ferritin, lots of micronutrients. They are not routinely required for screening purpose until and unless you have symptoms or an erratic low levels or on supplements, then you have to get it repeated 6 to 12 monthly. Kidney function test and liver function test. Annual kidney function and liver function tests should be done until and unless you have one of these issues which require often repetition of the KFTs and LFTs. There's one test these days being written that is highly sensitive CRP, which is an indicator of the heart disease. Get a baseline done after 40 years of age. If normal and no symptoms, you might not repeat it for another 5 years. Breast examination mammograms. A self-breast examination should be done monthly after 40 years of age. If there is a family history of breast carcinoma, then a mammogram every 2 years should be done. Prostate specific antigen for males. One baseline after 45 years, then repetition only after 3 years or if symptoms are there. DEXA scan not actually required until and unless you have a significant risk factor regarding the bone density, then you might repeat it. Colonoscopy for colorectal carcinoma. After 45 years of age, once baseline, to be repeated after 10 years, or one can undergo a stool occult blood test or a CT-guided virtual colonoscopy every 5 years. Vision testing, eye pressure change testing annually should be done. One of the most ignored ones, dental examination biannually every 6 months should be done. Cervical cancer screening. Women between 30 to 65 years, you have to undergo a pap smear and an HPV screening every 5 years. Infectious disease screening, 20 years to 80 years. One baseline of hepatitis C and HIV should be done, and it has to be repeated in every pregnancy. Lung cancer screening, 50 to 80 years of age with a history of heavy smoking, a low-dose CT scan of the chest thorax is recommended. Sleep study. If you snore, you wake up tired, there is excessive daytime sleepiness, go for a sleep study. check your BMI and waist circumference. And lastly, your mental health. Anxiety, depression, excessive fatigue, don't ignore it. Consult a therapist. Please remember, screening is actually going to give you the liberty from the future expenses and the future unexpected consequences. You sooner detect it, the better you can solve it. So, let's keep on inspiring each other and healing each other. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Good day.